GMC Hummer Recall confirmed. It's nothing major, but still. A recall is something of a rite of passage for a new car. Like puberty, but for cars. Only instead of regrettable first love and acne, new cars get replacement parts and unexpected trips to the service center. Frankly, if cars could feel, we've a feeling they'd argue surgery is worse than a subpar first kiss with Becky behind the library and some acne. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only, you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. Now, the GMC Hummer EV has entered puberty, getting its first ever recall. Thankfully, it's a minor one and one that was over pretty quickly. All necessary repairs have been performed already. The cause? A busted tail light. More specifically, the NHTSA report reads that the tail light software can cause one or both rear taillights to become inoperative, or remain fully or partially illuminated. There's no Tesla-style over-the-air fix for that. Owners were forced to head for the nearest dealership. According to the paperwork, a few botched lines of code caused taillights to malfunction to various degrees of severity. Sort of like misbehaving during puberty. Moreover, only the smallest of handfuls of Hummers were recalled. In all, only 10 units have been sent in for repairs. Thankfully, they've all been done already. It all sounds like one of those recalls you could probably have done by yourself in the driveway. Frankly, this isn't going to be the last recall for the EV pickup/SUV. Like many new EVs, Tesla Model S included, the new Hummer is an amalgamation of new technology. Making all of those parts work together in unison in a vehicle that was taken from paper to metal in 2 years is tough. From complicated mechanical tricks like crab walking to the simple fact that we're still kind of figuring out the whole EV thing as a species, it ain't easy being a new car going through puberty. At least there's no acne. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.